Okay, y'all, here go a video of the Chevelle. Couple things I did: disc brakes, front and back. Here are the slotted rotors. I don't know if you can see in the rear. Yep, came out good. Got my motor ran. Can you see it? I gotta get way down here. Change my shocks is gonna be next. Rear end cover, motor, 12 bolt. It's a real SS. Documentation. Get my interior done next. I've just been putting in work on the mechanical parts of it first. Can't have a car, power windows. Can't have a car done up if it ain't running. So that's still a project, you know, ain't never really done. HIDs. You gonna film me, sweetie? Gotta put my SS badges on. I got a gang of parts for this stuff.